In the summertime, we live on a large lake in northern Michigan, and it is so magical to spend a weekend at the lake or at the river surrounded by nature and the water, and to sit around the campfire at night and cook s'mores and do all of the fun things that involve being at the lake or at the river. And when I polled you ladies last week, most of you said this summer that you were sticking close to home with a weekend trip to the lake or the river. So today I am showing you a capsule wardrobe for that weekend trip to the lake or the river with just 10 pieces. That's it. 10 pieces and nothing more. Because a lot of you ladies are overpackers and you pack way more than what you need. So I'm going to show you 10 pieces and all the outfits that you can make from those pieces, including one swimsuit for a trip to that lake or weekend getaway. So let's get started. If we haven't met before, my name is Valarie, and you and I, in 4 short years, have grown to a community of over 1 million women worldwide. Our motto here at Midlife Posh Closet is shop your closet first and supplement your wardrobe when needed. So the pieces I'm showing you today, I want you to see if you have any of them in your closet before you hit that add to cart button, and then just supplement your wardrobe with the pieces that you do need. And maybe you don't have the exact piece that I'm showing you, but maybe you have something substantially similar. So I want you to look at these outfits in that way. So let's get started. So we are packing a total of 10 pieces, starting with a plain white tank and a red and white striped tank. I have a nautical theme to this capsule wardrobe because we are going to the lake. Next, we are moving to a navy and white striped tee and a denim button-up shirt. You could also pack a white button-up shirt, preferably in linen, because it's light and breezy for summer. And now I'm showing you this Lily Pulitzer navy pullover. I'm actually going to link to Tommy Bahama because my Tommy Bahama pullover is in my Florida home. It's the one I really wanted to show you for this capsule wardrobe. The Lily Pulitzer one I'm showing you is sold out, but it's what I have in my closet to show you today. 2 pairs of linen shorts. You don't have to pack these exact 2 pairs. These are linen and very comfortable. Use what is in your closet. And then a pair of linen pants. I am showing you white. I know some of you cannot resist getting stains, so if white is not your thing, you can switch to navy or beige, just depending on your lifestyle. I am a white pants person. And then I do not model swimsuits anymore, but this is the swimsuit I'm wearing this summer, and it is super cute, so it's the one I'm recommending. And then there is this layered midi dress, for dinners out or shopping. And I've paired it with sandals, but I also love this market tote this summer because it holds my towel, it holds my packable hat, my sunscreen, all of those things I need to take down to the boat during the day. This is an Amazon dress, and I own it in probably 3 different variations. It's very light and breezy. I keep the other 2 dresses in Florida for the heat. The other 2 versions I have are pinstripes, but I just love that it doesn't stick to me in the heat. A great version for the lake. If you are up north, you will certainly need layers for the lake. So here I have taken the denim button-up shirt and layered it over the red and white tank, which I do not have tucked in, by the way, I just have it folded under, and the beige linen shorts. These are actually khaki, not beige, and paired it with the sandals. This way, if it's cool in the mornings when I have coffee outside, I have a little bit of cover on my arms, and then when it warms up in the afternoon, I can take it off. You can also wear this button-up shirt as a cover-up, but I will link to a cover-up as well. But let's take this off and see what it looks like for when it warms up in the afternoon. And voila. Easy breezy summer outfit for the lake or the river. And again, this just requires a racer back bra. Not tucked, just turned under. Because we are dealing with just 10 pieces in this capsule wardrobe, let's switch out the shorts and see what this tank top looks like with white shorts. Again, I am wearing these linen shorts, but you can wear whatever white shorts or white skirt is in your closet. Easy breezy look for the lake or the river with the market tote to take to the beach. And now I can throw over my arms the denim button up if it gets a little breezy or if the bugs come out, say in the morning or in the evening. And by adding that layer, I've added depth, dimension, and visual interest to the outfit. But then I can also add white pants to this striped tank and look very fashionable and fabulous. That has the nautical but still preppy Ralph Lauren East Coast summer feel to this outfit. And again, if you're afraid of getting stains on white pants, you can swap these out for navy, preferably. But you could also go with khaki, but they should be linen so that they're light and breezy and very comfortable. Adding the navy pullover. And again, a very nautical East Coast summer look. If you've not looked up East Coast summer on TikTok, it's just a lovely genre. Lots of Ralph Lauren vibes, lots of outfits like these. I love this outfit. This is a great dinner outfit. Certainly if you're sitting out by the docks. I love this for the evenings as well. Let's look at some Midlife It Girl style. This is Beth from Maryland, and I own every piece Beth is wearing here. The top, the skirt, the shoes, the handbag, but I never thought to pair the pink top and the mushroom skirt together. You look amazing, Beth. Thank you for teaching me something new. Midlife It Girl Cheryl looks absolutely stunning in this white jumpsuit. I want this jumpsuit because Cheryl looks so amazing in it. Beautiful pick, and I love how you paired it with the sandals and the bangle bracelet. Nicely done. This is Jackie in California wearing the lace tank top that I've shown in 3 different colors. And what I love is that Jackie paired it with what was in her own closet. I've never shown you a white denim mini skirt, but that's what Jackie paired it with. And some chic and comfortable sandals and a crossbody bag. You look fabulous, Jackie. Carmen in Florida looking very coastal casual in her blue and white pinstripe blouse, white shorts, and white sandals. Fabulous It Girl, Carmen. This is Midlife It Girl Sally in Alberta, Canada. Sally shopped her closet for this outfit. Well done. And notice how she added a sprinkle of color to the outfit through her shoes. That is totally appropriate for you ladies that like color. Nicely done, Sally. You look amazing. It Girl Elizabeth in Utah teaching me something new because I've never thought to pair this fuchsia pink no tuck top with anything black. I always pair it with white or khaki or something lighter. So thank you for teaching me something new, Elizabeth. You look amazing. And It Girl Trinita in Illinois, looking radiant in red this summer. She epitomizes everything we are talking about in today's video. Nautical red stripes, shorts, comfortable sandals, crossbody bag, and some statement sunglasses to form a focal point on the outfit. Love that the sandals are supportive yet still stylish and chic at the same time. Well done, Trinita. You look amazing and are a fabulous midlife it girl. Here at Midlife Posh Closet, we have built this global community of midlife women, women over 40, women over 50, women over 60. And yes, that includes our women over 70 and women over 80. Just to be clear, midlife in Midlife Posh Closet refers to 40s, 50s, and 60s, but our women in their 70s and 80s are welcome here as well. We ask a community building question every week. So today's question is, tell me what you prefer. Do you prefer weekends at the lake, weekends at the river, weekends at the beach, or weekends in the mountains? And you're not limited to just one, because sometimes I can't choose. I love the mountains as well. So let me know in the comments below. And while you are answering that question, we usually post 3 videos a week, but it's summer. You ladies aren't sitting around watching videos. Views are down across the board on YouTube. So I think I'm down to posting 2 videos a week right now on YouTube. But I send an email notification every time I post a video so that you don't miss a thing. And on Saturdays, I send out an email newsletter with a weight loss tip, because I've lost 30 pounds to date, and a healthy recipe along with a roundup of the weekend sales, steals, and deals. Now repeat after me, because I get at least 3 complaints a week in email saying, I didn't get the weight loss tip in this email. The weight loss tip goes out on Saturday. So repeat after me. Saturday is when the weight loss tip goes out. So I'll post a link to sign up for my newsletter in the video description below. If you want to supplement, let me back up. There's never any pressure here at Midlife Posh Closet to shop. I genuinely want you to shop your closet first. But if you do want to supplement your wardrobe, there are 3 ways to shop. First, these products, these outfits will pop up here on screen. If you're watching on your TV, simply hit the remote control, click on the remote control on the product, and you can shop that way. If you're watching on your device, tap on the screen and it will take you directly to that retailer's website. Number 2, all of these products are linked in the video description below. Down here, you can click on the video description to shop them. And number 3, for a period of probably 6 weeks after the video is posted, you can shop them through the link at the top of the comments. So 3 ways to shop. First, click on screen. Second, video description. 3, it'll be pinned to the top of the comments. All right, let's get back to those outfits. In my heart of hearts, I am and always will be a woman of the sea. I am comfortable on the ocean and I am able to captain my own ship. So my canvas sailing sneakers will always take precedent over any other pair of sneakers. And of course, they go to the lake with me. Packing a pair of sneakers is always good in case you go for a boat ride where you need them, but also if you want to go exploring or go for a walk. So let's take this off, and we have a very basic outfit here with just the white tank and the khaki shorts. Again, you wear which shorts and what length is good for you, but here I'm adding that navy pullover for a very preppy up north East Coast summer look here. Great for those boat rides that might be a little chilly, or evenings or mornings that require a pullover. And here we are switching to the striped Breton t-shirt. This is the traditional French navy stripe, which is probably why I love it, because it's the nautical theme. Again, I don't have it tucked in, just turned under, so that the proportions are right for my body style. You wear whatever beige shorts or skirt is in your closet and whatever length feels right for you. And I've paired it with the denim button-up. Again, you could swap this for a white button-up as well. Great outfit for mornings and evenings when it's chilly, or out on the boat when you're riding on the boat and it's chilly. So let's take off the button up and see what it looks like. I love all of these looks because they're in that preppy nautical style. If you've watched TikTok for the East Coast summer genre, that's what that is. East Coast preppy, nautical, Americana. And so let's swap out the button up for the navy pullover. And if you are from the Great Lakes, you know that for up north weekends, you need a pullover or a hoodie. But ladies, let's leave the hoodies for the kids and let's be ladies and wear a pullover. Very preppy, very nautical, very East Coast summer vibe here in that Ralph Lauren style. I've swapped out the shorts for white linen pants. Again, if you're worried about spills, you could go with navy linen pants. This is a beautiful look, very nautical, very preppy in the Ralph Lauren style. Boat rides, chilly evenings, and dinners. All right, so I hope you're enjoying your summer vacation, whether you're going to the river, to the lake, to the beach, or maybe to the mountains. Very few of you are going to Europe this summer. When I polled you, there was just maybe a handful of you. So I hope you are enjoying your summer vacation. And until our next video, here's another video to help you shop your closet and use what you already own to create outfits that are fresh, modern, chic, and youthful. Until we meet again, my friends.